I've got a great video for you today. Imagine if lawyers sold their legal services the way that TV pitchmen sold things on TV. You want to know what this is about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from Sanibel Island, Florida. My wife is on the beach picking shells and I've got a few moments to share this great information with you. So last night I'm watching some TV and I see something come on and some TV pitchman is selling some object. And now I'm thinking, how funny would it be if an attorney actually tried to sell his legal services the way these TV pitchmen tried to sell their blenders or other products? So I came up with a couple of ideas that I think are actually pretty humorous. Imagine if an attorney turns around in their TV advertising or their other messaging and they say, hey, we will slice and dice your opponents. I'm talking about accident attorneys, medical malpractice attorneys, or wrongful death attorneys. Or how about this one? We'll give you a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with our results. Well, that's wonderful. If you're not paying anything to hire the attorney to have them prosecute the case, a money-back guarantee is absolutely meaningless. How about this one? But wait, there's more. Sign up in the next 5 minutes and we'll send you a limo to your home to pick you up. How funny would that be if an attorney actually got on camera and actually said that as if they were a TV pitchman? You know what would happen? I'll tell you what would happen. People would be turned off. They'd be skeptical. Why? Because most people are skeptical of pitchmen. They're afraid of what the pitchman is saying. They're afraid of the guarantees that the pitchman is making. They're afraid of everything. Why? Because they're trying to sell you something. And in legal services, if you come across as being a salesman, guess what? Most injured victims who are searching for an attorney are going to be turned off. Most other professionals and colleagues will be turned off as well. But if instead you turn around and say, you know what? Let me share with you some great information. I've got 4 great books that will teach you and educate you about how cases like yours work here in New York. I've got 500 frequently asked questions and answers to help you understand how these types of cases work. I've got thousands of articles and blog posts on my educational website to again teach you more about how medical malpractice and accident cases work. And in case you don't know, I have over 1,500 great educational videos to teach you and explain to you how these types of accident and medical malpractice cases work in the state of New York. So now, instead of being a pitchman where I'm trying to sell something, instead I'm just being helpful, I'm being a great resource, I'm teaching and educating my ideal client and consumer. So I just thought it'd be a funny, humorous way to show you what would happen if an attorney used sales tactics to try and get you, an injured victim, to come to them instead of taking the opposite approach of teaching them and educating them. You know, I realize you're watching this because you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you've got legal questions and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, what I encourage you to do is, you know what I'm going to say, right? Pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.